Alright guys, thanks for tuning into this car tech video. It's a really short video showing you how you can do a mileage correction change on a Ferrari vehicle. This is the Xtool X100 kit. It's a Pro 100. It's an Xtool 100 X100 Pro 2 kit. I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video and also in the comments box below. It only works on the Ferrari, on the 458 Italia and the California. So I'm going to show you how it works. Obviously we're not in a Ferrari right now, we're in a Porsche, but the process I'm going to show you is exactly the same. So I'm just going to scroll through and get my vehicle. Backup and adjustment, what you can do is select which is correct for you. This is a backup file, so if you wanted to back up the current mileage, if you're worried about making a mistake, then you can save the current mileage and then you can use that file. You can back it up and go back to it if you need to. So I've already created a backup file. I've got 01.bin here, so that's my backup file. I don't need to worry about making a new one. If you wanted to make a new one, you just select new file, but I'm going to select backup. I failed to save the file, that's okay. It then takes me into the mileage correction page. So if I scroll down, I'm going to say I wanted the mileage of this car to be something ridiculously low, like 400 miles, which is a massive step from 105,000, but it's just to show you, how the tool works, and it will work. So I'm going to click OK to that. Input value 400, communicating, everything should drop off, and then we'll get a new mileage back on the screen here. 398 it's taken us to, and that is within 2 miles. Let's focus on that. There we go. So yeah, it generally gets you where you need to be, there or thereabouts, within a few miles. So it just shows you how easy that was to do, and obviously you can go and just back it up by clicking recovery, and it'll automatically find your saved files. Keep clicking OK, communicating, it'll drop off again, and you'll find it goes back to the original 105,657. Don't worry about these faults, these are completely unrelated. These relate to an ABS sensor, which I'm currently waiting for. So that's the Xtool X100 Pro 2 kit, and it is available just by clicking the link below this video. I'll also put a link to this kit in the comments box below this video, but it's really good if you've got a like a mechanics business, you do mobile mechanics, so you offer mileage correction as part of your services, or you just want to do it on your own Ferrari. That's easy enough to do. It just shows you how easy it is to do. I've done that, and I've done a mileage correction and a recovery in less than 3 minutes, and that's with talking to you guys as well. So yeah, so as I say, link is in description and in the comments box. Thanks for watching this car tech video. I hope it helps.